everyone, it's Wendy. I'm redoing this one. This one's a little bit late. This is another kit from Annie's Creative Woman. I'd done the video and for some reason the sound didn't work. So that's why it's open. Alright. But this would be something nice to get and do for next year. And it gives you a taste of what it's like to do string art. Countdown to Christmas. Again, it's by Annie's Creative Woman. They give you a nice pamphlet that gives you all the directions. What we got here? Alright, first off, we have our wood. We're putting this on. And it does have a hanger already attached. It's a little crooked. And it has a hole in it. And there's a reason for a hole down here. It also has the tree design for you to use. And basically what you are going to do is, there is gel stain in your package. I'm not going to open this up because we got little tiny nails in here. But there's gel stain here, and you're going to stain your wood with that. Then you're going to cut out your tree. They say about a quarter of an inch around the dots. Place it on the left side. On the left side. So it would be on this side, approximately half an inch. By half, from, they mean from like the bottom here. You see that? Move you in a little closer. This is pre-printed. So once you do a little edge here, it'll be half an inch from this side, from the bottom, half an inch I would do from the widest here, and half an inch here. And actually, if you want, I would just leave a little tab of paper at these places so that you can use that for your guide, so that it lays correctly. Then you're going to tape it down. And then you're gonna, they give you a couple little clothespins in here, and there's a reason for that, to hide these little teeny tiny nails, because you need a hammer. If you have a tiny hammer, perfect. But if you can use the clothespins to hold the hammer and don't have to worry about hitting your thumb. And once you get all your nails in, you just pull up the template and you'll have your nails all in the board in the shape. And then the next thing you do is you start your weaving. It talks about using the fairy lights, which are included, which are these, and they actually do work. I tested them out in my previous video. I think that's good. Yeah. They have a little piece of paper on one of them so it doesn't cause contact. You have a stencil to add, so you can add the number of days. You have your floss, and this is 6-strand cotton floss. If you don't feel comfortable using the 6-strand cotton floss, because it does separate, as you can see I'm tapping it with my finger and it's just kind of separating out. They do make a different kind of floss. It's called non-divisible floss. Kids use it a lot for their friendship bracelets and that. You can use that instead. Might be a little sturdier too. Also included in here are some L hooks, and those are what you use to hang your dates on. and you have your dates here, and they give you the directions on how to string. You start with your fairy lights, then you put the light green, and then you put the dark green, so you end up with 2 tones. Also laying out your stencils, how to put your L hooks in. So it's a very nice kit, and like I said, this one I had already done, but for some reason the volume, it just didn't record voice. So I'm redoing it. But this would be a good kit to do during the year, to have ready for next Christmas. And I think there was one other thing that I had. No, they have enough numbers. Now I'm thinking about it. Now I'm looking at the numbers. Because when you would put the numbers on the hooks, you put a 1 and a 1, a 2 and a 2. Then you would do your 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 over on this side. Because some months have 30 days, some months have 31 days. And then of course we have February, which is 28 days, except on leap year when it's 29. So that is the Annie's Countdown to Christmas String Art Kit. And I apologize for getting this one out so late, but like I said, I didn't realize that the volume wasn't working on it. And all the information regarding their links and prices and that will be down below in the description box. Thanks for watching.